YouTube, so we're gonna swap out the interior lights. Here's the yellow interior lights. Here's the LEDs. I'm gonna come back real quick, pop them off, and swap the yellow for the LED. Alright, YouTube, so now we're underneath the light, and basically there is 4 on each side, 4 tabs. And then we'll pop these tabs out one by one, and then I'll pop this off. Alright, so we got it off. Here's our plastic piece. You see 4 tabs across the top. Actually looks like there's 5 across top, 4 across the bottom. I don't know, it's 2 and 2, but anyway. Tabs on each side, pull it off. We have our light in here. Just grab, I don't know how hot this light might be, but basically just grab the light and pull it out. And there's our OEM. And we'll grab one of our LEDs here. So here's our LED. Just adjust that wire a little bit. And then all it is just basically plug and play. And then I'll cut the light on up front, make sure it actually works. And then I'll put this back on and show you the finished product. Alright, now we're back. Put the light bulb in there. I actually had to turn it around to make sure it came on. So now we got interior LEDs. Fortunately, these stay the yellow. There's no known replacement for that, so that's kind of like built in. It's not an easy swap out that I know of. But anyway, guys, there's the quick, easy interior light upgrade to LED. Like, comment, subscribe. JJ out.